Hi guys and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Havels and I'll be showing you where I took the entry today, where I took the exit and everything according to my study and the strategy, and we have traded without any indicators. And also in this video we'll be looking at how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day, and also we'll be looking at the indices how they have performed for the day. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So if you guys are new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade, what I have done for the day. So today I have traded on Havels. Okay, so this was the trade what I took today. So according to my study and the strategy, this stock was a buy above 1790, and if it has gone below 1779 then it was a short sell. But as you guys can see, today the stock has held for the whole day on a buying side itself and the stock has gone up. So I just bought at 1790 and I kept my target up to 78 points, and I've taken my exit by booking the profit somewhere over here. Okay, so my target is achieved, and also you can see even throughout the day the stock has gone up and it has closed at 1819 for the day. Almost 20 points plus it has performed for the day. So I have booked my target according to my study and the strategy. Okay, so you can see here this trade has been executed almost around 925 here. Okay, so I don't observe a lot of stocks when I'm doing intraday trades because I focus on one or two stocks and I wait for my levels to come, and once they come I execute my entries. Okay, so as I was waiting for the day in the morning, I waited till 925, and once that 1790 gave a breakout, I just took my entry over there, and you can see within few minutes the stock has gone up and it has given my target, and later even if I holded it, the stock would have gone up. But I always follow my target and stop loss in intraday trading, and once I get my target I just exit. Okay, so this is what I done today, and exactly according to the study and the strategy it has performed and it has given the target. Okay, so if you guys want to learn all this concept of making consistent profit on in intraday trading and selecting these good stocks and how to make this proper entry and exit, you can join my course today. I'll be guiding you all these things, and not only that, you get everyday live market personal support as well. And now let's come to Nifty 50 chart. So this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. Let's look at how it has opened today. So today it opened at just 0.05% up. I can say just a flat opening. Advances stocks were 29, declines were minus 16, and unchanged were 5 stocks. Okay, and you can see this is how the Nifty 50 has opened for the day, and this is how it has performed for the day. So in the beginning the market tried to come down and consolidate a little bit, and it did take a good support and it has gone up till afternoon. And again I can say like almost today afternoon it was more of in a range bound side. Okay, the market has not gone up or down in the whole of an afternoon time. Okay, so almost from 9:45 to 1 o'clock or 1:30 the market was straight up, and later it became range bounded for the day, and today it has closed at 22,465. Okay, so let's look at the indices, how they had performed for the day. So just going to the indices page, so we can see main sectoral indices, how they have performed here. So again, we can see the most gaining indices for the day is Nifty Consumer Durables, 2.78% up. And you can see all the other indices also have gone up for the day. And you can see that Nifty IT has declined minus 0.85% down. And Nifty Auto again is also like 1.74% up, which is maximum for the day. So yes, this is how the indices has been performed for the day. And also if you quickly go to the home page, we can see the overview of the market, how it has performed, and also this were the top gainers and top losers for the day, so which you can see here. And this is the stats for the day, how the market has performed. Okay, so guys, yes, this is the trade what I did, and this is the overall market, how it has performed for the day. And if you guys wish to get the knowledge from me and want to get the live market support from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.